Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are safe. आप लोग सब घर पे हैं, अच्छे हैं, सुरक्षित हैं और लॉकडाउन में कुछ क्रिएटिव कुछ प्रोडक्टिव कर रहे हैं. सो बिफ़ोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, लाइक दिस वीडियो, कमेंट एंड शेयर. ऐसे ही आज रैंडमली मैंने ये वीडियो शूट करने का सोचा क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ सामान आए हुए हैं. देर आर सम प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड जो कि आज सुबह के सारे डिलीवरी हुए हैं फ्रॉम नायका और शुगर से. तो मैंने सोचा कि एक अनबॉक्सिंग कर दूं. वैसे अनबॉक्स तो हो गया है बट एक मिनी हॉल टाइप का खोल के आपको दिखा दूं कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, क्या है, क्या क्या मैंने परचेज़ किया है. एंड अगर आप लोग को पसंद आए तो आप लोग इसको रीपर्चेज़ कर सकते हैं. सो अगेन मेरी अपॉलॉजीज़ कि मैं बहुत धीरे बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि दोपहर का समय है एंड मेरा बच्चा सो रहा है. सो आई एम टॉकिंग रियली इन अ वेरी लो टोन. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So पहला जो है, मैं शुगर के जो प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने ऑर्डर किए हैं वो मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ. सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जो मैंने शुगर से ऑर्डर किया हुआ है वो है ये फेस फॉरवर्ड करेक्टर स्टिक इन द शेड 03 जेड जॉकी. सो ये एक ग्रीन कलर करेक्टर है. ये देखिए, क्योंकि मेरा फेस जो है वो थोड़ा इट इज़ प्रोन टू गेटिंग रेड इन दीज एरियाज़, पर्टिकुलरली ऑन माई टी जोन एंड इन दीज एरियाज़. सो उसके लिए मैंने ये ग्रीन कलर करेक्टर लिया है सो दैट आई कैन अप्लाई इट. मेरे फाउंडेशन से पहले मैं उसको अप्लाई करूँ तो वो थोड़ा सा मेरा जो रेडनेस है फेस का वो थोड़ा कम करे. आई हैव रियली बैड आई बैग्स अंडर माई आईज टुडे क्योंकि थोड़ा स्लीपिंग पैटर्न थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया है मेरा अभी कुछ दिनों से. सो या सो बट इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई डोंट माइंड एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, दैट रियली डजंट बॉदर मी. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ अ मस्कारा. ये मेरा दूसरा परचेस है शुगर से. इट्स द शुगर अपटाउन कर्ल लेंथनिंग मस्कारा इन ब्लैक ब्यूटी. मैं सारा प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइसेस आपको स्क्रीन पे लिख के छोड़ दूँगी सो दैट आप जाने हाउ मच डज इट रिटेल फॉर. सो दिस इज़ द वॉन्ड. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी, दिस इज़ द वॉन्ड. It's very precise, very good for the lower lashes mostly, and it's a very good mascara. It is a waterproof mascara. It stays and not very difficult to remove also. So अच्छा है ये mascara. So this is my second purchase from Sugar. मेरा ये जो third purchase है, it was there in my list. मेरे विश लिस्ट में बहुत दिन से था बट मैं नहीं ला रही थी, बट अभी मैं ले आई. सो दिस इज़ द शुगर गोल्ड जेली हाइलाइटर पॉट. आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू हाउ द इसका कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ा जेली टाइप का है. आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड फॉर द अमाउंट इन विच इट कम्स. पॉट इतना बड़ा है पर अमाउंट कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट it's okay. I just wanted to give it a try, so I'll just swatch it in the back of my hands for you guys to see. So it's in a rose gold color. You can see very pretty, very pretty color. So this is my third purchase from Sugar. The next two things are kohl pencils. This is the Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in brown bag. So this is a brown kajal, and the next one is Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal, still got the blues. This is a blue one. So one is brown and the other one is blue. So these are the two kohl pencils that I have got, eyeliner pencils if you want to call. The next thing is Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks. It comes in a pack of 4 in a beautiful box. So the first one is the Brink of Pink 02 Brink of Pink. I'll just swatch it ever so slightly for you to see. You can see it. It's a very, very pretty a pink color. It's a very pretty pink. It's not very dark, it's not very light, it's a good pink. The one that I'm wearing today is Brazen Raisin 01 Brazen Raisin. It's a kind of a darker red with a little bit of maroon in it. Thoda maroonish red. I am very bad at swatching, so please excuse me for that. This is the next one I've just mixed. This is a very light pink color. It's called Plum Yum. It's a very, very light pink. If you can see, pretty light. Out of all these, this is one of my favorite shades. This is very, very pretty. The next one is Aubergine Queen. It's a little winey, if you can say, maroonish, wineish color. This is the last one. So these are the products from Sugar. I've ordered this a few days back and it came pretty soon. So these are my Sugar products. And now from Nykaa, I've got quite a lot of things. So the first thing I wanted to show you, these are a pair of 20 brushes from Bronzen Professional. So ये 20 brushes I have already started using it. Very light on skin, very, very beautiful. It has face brushes, it has eye brushes, it has a lip brush. So it's a very, very good brush set. I really like it. So this is the first purchase from Nykaa. The second one is this shimmer dust from Blue Heaven. This is a silver shimmer dust. One second, I'll just take a little bit and show you. This is a shimmer dust. You can use it as a on your eyeshadow. It's very, very fine shimmer, and it's not that hard glitter types, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful shimmer. You can also use it as a highlighter. It will serve good as a highlighter. Can you see? Yeah, it's a good product. So this is the next one. I have also got Bio Oil. This is very good for your skin. I do have stretch marks. This is my second purchase in 2 years. It lasts really long. You need to take a very little and massage it in places you want to. So this is my second purchase. This is Bio Oil. It's good for the stretch marks. It's good for any cuts or if you have any scars or anything. It's very good. So it serves the purpose. So this is Bio Oil. The next thing is a Mamaearth Onion Hair Serum. So I do have Mamaearth shampoos. They don't perform well on my hair, but the serum that I had got in that combo performed really well. And the serum is really, really lightweight. It's the onion serum. The serum really performs well on my skin, on my hair, sorry. So बहुत lightweight है, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. It's very, very light. So good for the hair, for my hair at least. If you have dry scalp which turns oily after 2 to 3 days of your wash, you can definitely use this serum on a regular basis. It will really help. The next thing that I have got is this kajal from Blue Heaven. This is a pot kajal. It has a brush like this, very, very fine brush. And its pot has the kajal in it. So it's very good. I have already used it. It's smudge free. Doesn't smudge until and unless you rub it like wildly. It doesn't smudge, and it's very, very nice. Here you go. So this is a nice kajal. I really like it. I have also got a pack of Tinkle razors. These are from Bronzen. These are the eyebrow and face razor. Very, very precise razors. You can see. The razor is really precise, and it just फाइनली अगर आपको आपके पीच फजेस निकालने हैं, या आपके अपर लिप्स को, या आपके आईब्रोज को थोड़े बहुत ठीक ठाक करने हैं, तो ये बहुत यूज़फुल है. आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट एंड इट्स वेरी गुड. The next thing that I have got to just test, because I have been using the L'Oreal shampoos of lately for around 2 to 3 years. I have been using L'Oreal. So this is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay for purifying and hydrating the hair. It's anti-oilness and it purifies the scalp. It's for oily scalp and hair. So एक या 2 दिन बाद मेरे वॉश के मेरा हेयर नॉर्मली बहुत ऑयली हो जाता है. तो क्योंकि इसके रिव्यूज़ बहुत अच्छे हैं एंड वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स रिकमेंडेड दिस, आई हैव जस्ट गॉट दीज शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर टू ट्राई आउट, एंड इफ़ आई लाइक इट आई विल यूज़ इट फर्दर. द नेक्स्ट थिंग that I have got is a cocoon polishing hair mist with apple and green tea. So this is a hair mist. So जैसे अभी तो बाहर नहीं निकलना होता है, but if I am styling my hair for my video or something, I can use this. This is very nice. This smells really well. It smells like exactly like green apple. It's very nice. So you just give it a few spray like this and just do this to your hair. I've been applying it for 2 to 3 days now, and my hair is a 3rd day wash and it has not gone oily yet. So I think this is very nice. So this is the next thing. I have also got a rose water spray and a cucumber water spray from Jiva Ayurveda. These are very nice. This cucumber water instantly gives a cooling effect. ठंडा हो जाता है चेहरा, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And rose water, as everyone knows, it's very good for skin. So these are the next products. I have also got the Blue Heavens Face Glow face powder. This is very smooth, very fine, and it doesn't leave a white residue like other powders. It doesn't leave a white residue at all. It just blends. So this is a very nice powder. That's the next purchase. I have also got Lakme 9 to 5 Aloe Aqua Gel. Here you go. This is in a gel format. My skin is a combination sensitive skin. These areas are very oily and these portions are very dry, and it's very sensitive. So I mostly use gel based moisturizers. So and this is a very good product. I have seen the reviews and I have also had friends who have used it. So this is my next purchase. I have purchased this. The next thing are 2 lipsticks. One from Insight Cosmetics, Insight Makeup Essential. This is a transparent lipstick. It is nothing much, just a transparent gloss to just top it up. Can you see? Top it up of your lipstick, or you can put it as it is. It is very tacky. It's very good. It doesn't just feel like you're wearing a lip gloss on your lips. So I really like this. This is a nice product. And the next one is the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is said to be the dupe of Ruby Woo, MAC Ruby Woo. So I just got to try it out. So this is the shade, beautiful red shade, pure red. It is 01 to the rust, to the fullest. This is said to be the Ruby Woo dupe. It's 2000 less than Ruby Woo also. So I really like it. This is a nice product. The next thing is also from Insight. I got quite a lot of Insight Cosmetics. This is the Insight Makeup Essential Mascara. It comes with a wand to just lift your lashes, to comb your lashes. For your lower lashes, a micro one, and for your upper lashes thoda sa bada. So this is a very nice product, and the wand is also very pretty. I haven't used it yet, but I will definitely use it and tell you how it performs. The next thing is also a mascara. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara Mini one. So I had a Maybelline Lash Sensation. I like Maybelline's mascara. I wanted to use this one, so I got a mini one. So its wand is a little curvy, so that it just uplifts the eyelashes pretty well. So this also I haven't used yet. So yeah, there you go. The next product is a concealer. This is the Insight HD Corrector Conceal High Definition Concealer. My shade is Sun Beige, 01 Sun Beige. It is very similar to the LA Girls concealers. Can you see? It's really my skin, one or two shades lighter than my skin, which is very good for concealing. So I really am looking forward to use it. This is the Streaks Hair Serum Vitalized with Walnut Oil. This is also a mini pack. I got it because I'm down with my serum. My serum is going to get over, so I got this one. I like it. It's a nice one. Nice serum. I'll try it and let you know. The next one is again from Insight Cosmetics. This is the loose powder in translucent. The shade is called Natural. It's a translucent loose powder. It's also from Insight. It's a good powder, very lightweighted and very nice. The next one is again a highlighter, and it was in my wish list for a very long time, and it's called the Master Chrome from Maybelline. This is in rose gold. I have been longing to get this highlighter for myself. Can you see how beautiful it is? I'll just swatch it across my hands. Can you see the glow? It's so pretty. The glow is really nice. The glow is really nice. I really like this highlighter. I have been eyeing on this highlighter for a long time, and I've got it. The next one is the Blue Heavens Long Lasting Makeup Fixer. So this is a dewy makeup fixer. I do have a matte one from Blue Heavens. I don't use any other makeup fixers from any other brand, because Blue Heavens suits my skin really well. So whatever I just get Blue Heavens makeup fixer because I really like them. So this is the next one. The next one, the second last product, is Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Primer. This is a highlighting primer. All highlighting products I have got. Just before the makeup, when your skin is absolutely moisturized, take a little highlighting primer and just give it a massage. And if you can see, it's really dewy and glowing. Very nice. I really like it. My last product is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Soothing and Radiance. This is also a mini pack. It smells really nice. It smells really nice. I don't know what it smells of, but it smells really nice. I will be using it as my night care serum. I have heard a lot about it, and I'll give it a try and let you know. Yeah, one thing is left. This is my facial tissue box. So this is from Tulips. I got it from Nykaa again. It is 100 facial tissues. Not wet, these are dry tissues. So yeah, that's it for all the products, and I hope you all like this mini unboxing or a mini haul. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Do subscribe. Stay blessed. God bless you all.